For every yacht design success story, there is often one particular yacht that kindled the fire. For the William Fyfe of the Clyde, it was FIONA of 1865, the Fawn of Fairlie. For Olin of New York, it was of course DORADE in 1930. And for the Frers of Buenos Aires, it was FJORD III. Restored in her present ownership to the fast, functionally simple and effortlessly beautiful offshore racer, Germán Frers Senior originally conceived her for himself in 1947. Since 2016, FJORD III has been making a name for herself in the Mediterranean, often with the second and third generations of the Frers family at the helm. FJORD III is moored in Spain and absolutely ready for the 2024 Sim Classic Regatta season.